Hey guys, so this is part 3 of the Hoover Dam discussion that I'm having, and I forgot to add this on to the part 1 and 2, so I'm going to just add this on really quick. In part 1 I was talking about how this is representing, I guess, Satan's seed and humanity, and how there's going to be a new race. Now this is on a sculpture on the outside of Hoover Dam, and here we have, you can see, you can't really see from this, my screen's too dark, but actually where his rib cage ends right here and where the abs start, it's actually, you can see it's actually a face, and it's actually somebody being birthed right here. It's not just his abdomen. But my screen's too dark. Go look at Jonathan Kleck's video, the Hoover Dam and the An Ancient Evil Awakes. I'm not going to give my stamp of approval on everything he says. Like a lot of his prophecies don't make any sense. How the abomination of desolation happened last year when Obama signed the beam into the World Trade Center towers, and how the temple is the temple of the human body, and how the Antichrist is going to, you know, how Obama is the Antichrist, and I don't know about all that. None of that makes any sense to me biblically. I don't see any evidence to say that Obama is 100% the Antichrist. I think God keeps His word, and He says He'll reveal it to us when the restrainer is taken out of the way, which is not the church. He'll reveal to us who the Antichrist is, and we'll know for a fact who it is, because there will be no question. How many people, I'd say there's probably, the majority of people can't stand Obama. I mean, the Antichrist is going to be loved by everybody except for born-again Christians, so I don't understand that. It's not going to be opinion, it's going to be fact, you know, irredisputable. Everybody's going to agree that's the Antichrist, there's no doubt. So, if you look right here, how his hands are, and then you see this arch right here. Well, this is the DNA seed. This represents the ovaries, like the dam, the Hoover Dam. This is actually also what the Hoover Dam looks like. I already talked about that in part 1. The fallopian tubes, and then here's the goat feature. You see the same thing, the arch, and the horns. Same thing. Makes a pentagram. So go to Jonathan Kleck's video. I give him credit for, he has some really good thoughts about the Hoover Dam, and you'll see what I'm talking about, where you can see it. There's actually a face in here where the abs are. He has a better video right now. My screen's too dark and you can't see it. It didn't give credit to it. Didn't do it justice. So he also has a very good aerial view of the Hoover Dam, and you can see how it looks indistinguishable from the female reproductive system. You can't dispute it. It's irrefutable. Looks exactly like it. So, thanks for watching.